Wait, don't throw that out. Orange peels, often thrown in the trash, right? Well, there's something you can do with them that gives you a healthy drink. Stay tuned. Okay, so today what I want to do is to cook with what is normally a scrap, an orange peel. Unless you're making orange marmalade, you're probably just throwing this out. But you can cut these up, chop them up real good, boil them in some water, and make a tea out of them. And there is supposed to be more vitamin C in the peel of an orange than in the fruit itself. So it's a great way to get your vitamin C and save on some trash. This also works with tangerine peel as well. I've got some I've been drying over here. You can use fresh, you can use dried. So here's how. To start with, you're going to cut up your orange peel into 1/4 inch slices or pieces. I don't measure these at all, I just cut them up pretty good. And this is what you want to do, whether it's dried or fresh. You're going to need less of the dried than of the fresh. So the recipe I use calls for 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped up peel to each cup of water, or 1 tablespoon of dried peel to each cup of water. So what I normally do is just slice it and see how much I have, and then that's how much I make. So I have 6 tablespoons of chopped up peel, and now I'm going to add 3 cups of water. Then you put the pan on the stove, cover it, and bring it to a boil. Once it reaches a boil, you're going to turn off the heat and let it steep for an hour. All right, now that it's boiling, I'm going to take it off the heat and let it sit for an hour. And then you can strain it and drink it. Okay, once your orange peel tea is finished, you can go ahead and pour it in a mug. You can store it in the refrigerator, and I freeze any that I've got left over just so that I've got it to drink off and on as I want a little bit of a vitamin C boost. It's also thought to be good for digestive problems, so I'll drink it occasionally to help settle everything down there. You can dilute it a little bit if you want to add some water to it. You can also add sweetener to it. I like to put a little bit of honey in it sometimes. You can drink it warm. You can drink it room temperature. I drink it sometimes in the summer cold out of the refrigerator, although I think it's a little better to let it warm up just a bit to have that in. So that is how you keep from throwing out your orange peels. You use it to make orange peel tea. Enjoy.